Here we are walking into 27 boxes. It's like a niche shopping mall built out of shipping containers in Melville. This is going to be a calm walk, some gentle music, a bit of quiet commentary as we go, and I'll show you each photo as I take it. Ek love hierdie lig. Maar weer eens 'n kort mense. 'n Kort. Dis al nice, maar nie so baie mense nie. Photography has given me more than a way to see. It's given me a community. There's something deeply life-giving about sharing a frame you love and having people who truly see it with you. Not just a quick scroll or a polite like, but friends who pause, who ask about the light or the moment behind it, who celebrate the work because they understand what it cost and what it captured. That shared joy, that sense of being known and encouraged in something you care about is rare. And it fills me up in a way I didn't expect when I first picked up a camera. It's not just about the photos, it's about the people who make the creating feel less lonely and more like home.
Dit is my ma snaaks hoe die wagte altyd dink mense is dodge. Hulle wag altyd dat mense is geval. Ek dink mens behoort so like 'n cityscape op hier te kan sien.
The scene was extremely nice and pleasing to me, but there was no clear subject, and I'm trying to be more stingy with my shots.
Oh, it's baie cool. Kort mense. I just need people. Yes, dude. Are we not allowed to be here?
Yes.
I'm sorry, man. Are you still closed?
Yes, my voice is
Oh, is it?
me now.
Not even for pretty photos?
Yeah.
No, it's fine. Don't worry. We'll get moving. Thanks, man.
After being chased out, we made our way outside, but couldn't help but stop on the way out to capture maybe one or two frames.
It's close enough to look.
Ja. Dat is een mooi foto, hè. Eens kijken gauw.
So I love the light in this picture, but I couldn't quite frame it up correctly. It was like I was missing a subject, just missing something that the photo revolved around. So I was really reluctant to take this shot.
Sorry, is het voor je? Niks. Ja, ek was net nie meer subject, soos ek wil nie. Soos die trappe is baie cool. As ek op 'n manier dit kan kry. Met die hoofkarakter, die lig hier voor. Dit is moeilik. Want ek wil nie myself in nie. Oh, is 'n baie cool foto. Kom check, kom werk hier. Daar gevoel wat jy. Dan check jy petit. Jy sien, ja. So ek het die backlight hier weer. Dis 'n weird reël vir my. Jy nie mag foto's neem binne plekke nie. Dit is soos maar is dit nie bemarking vir julle? Tot daai kan is ons kan as jy opgaan. sal nice is as mens 6 uur se kant kon kom.
Ja.
Dan dink ek gaan die lig beautiful wees, maar hier's ook koffie. Ja, kom ons doen. Kom ons doen hè. Dit sal lekker wees.
Wat jy weet.
Flat white.
Part of why I love these photo walks is the social aspect to them. It's not just about taking cool photos, it's the community surrounding the photos.
Very tight. Don't stress. Sorry.
It's on standard lens.
It's a 50mm, yeah. 50mm, yeah. So it's very, very tight. Yeah.
Where, as a matter of interest, where do you do your developments now? It looks a lot like the SP1000.
Ja.
I had two bodies. I had
Oh wow.
one just for parts and one for.
Okay, you still shoot?
There's all my stuff in curve
Oh wow.
just to get through. But
Shucks, man. I bought a Pentax SF7 on Marketplace, like from the 80s, so it's like autofocus and all this stuff. And then I asked my parents, do they have any film cameras lying around? And they got this. Is my grandfather's ID number is actually on there, so the nostalgia is is high. It adds value to everything. So, but anyway, I hope you get back into it, man. Cool. It's nice to meet you. Yeah, awesome. Enjoy. Cheers
I
for
love
photo.
these moments
It's
with
the best
strangers
man I've
finding an interest in what we do,
Cheers, guys.
asking questions about film photography.
Extrovert.
And I'm hoping that a part of what we do here is to spread the joy, to spread the inspiration and help other people find their creativity again.
Ek het laas na hierdie plek gestaan en kyk, maar ek kon nie 'n shot kry wat werk nie. Want ek hou net van die kleur. Ja, hierdie plek. Ons kan hier opgaan. Ja. Pretty kort koop. Dit is so van daai ou 500 megabyte.
Ja.
Oukie se bietjie. Dit is baie cool. O, dit lyk maar baie goeie koffie. How's it?
Waar goeie?
Koffie. Let's go check. Mind if we check inside? Sorry?
Nice cameras.
Thanks, dude. Yeah.
I've got a similar one.
Is it? I'll have to take your portrait if I may. I'll have to take your portrait if I may.
Not at the moment.
Okay. Okay. Cool. No stress. Ja. Nee, dat is
Wat is hier bij mij? Ik heb een tijd
I had to wait quite a while for the main character of the shot, the shopkeeper, to just move. But I'm quite happy with how it turned out.
nice. Ja, dat is cool. Dat is een vibe. Oh, is iets interessant. Follow the light.
I spotted
dude.
beautiful lighting coming down the side of the street and hitting that wall through the diffusion of the roof. And when I came closer, I spotted a little sticker on the wall. What I didn't know is that this building was rigged with beam alarms that I think I tripped. across the street, and this cafe was being flooded with light through two big windows, and I spotted an old man having breakfast by himself, and decided I wanted to try and get the light on his back really accentuated with the rest of the building kind of dark and gloomy, a very like moody portrait of him. And I got him at multiple angles. I did, however, try to be sneaky about it because I didn't want to disturb his breakfast.
Morning.
I loved this view, but I was lacking a subject in the frame, so I decided just to wait a while for somebody to cross the street. I think part of what I'm working on is being patient with my shots, not rushing anything, but just taking a couple of seconds to really compose a nice picture instead of just capturing what is there in the moment.
Hey, how are you? Good, good. Am I bothering you?
You need some help.
Oh, fantastic. If you come check here quickly, stand here and you look in the window here, you see the nice reflection of the guy there.
Yes.
I'm trying to get that. Yes, dat is legit. Je staat gewoon hier. Je staat hier. Ja. Ja, hier naar mij toe. Sien jy die ou? Legit is dat. Nice.
Ja, nog. Ek het either die Kodak Gold
Okay.
of die Sunny ene.
Ek het so 'n klein bietjie my film journey begin document, so ek maak soos half net een keer 'n week 'n lekker lang film video en dan. So, ja, so ek en Leroux bly net daai kant toe. So ons het hier begin basically en so afgestap. So, ja. So ek dink ons kan maar begin terug beweeg.
Ja.
Wat is dit?
Dit is nou 8 uur.
Ja. Memory card en so hy gaan hard doen.
Wat sê jy?
Nou dis, ek weet nie, hy sê net ons mag nie foto's neem. Dis belaglik. Daai is mal mooi. Ek hoop dit kom mooi uit, nou verkeerd op.
Ja.
I spotted this guy on the left and decided I wanted to take a photo of him in this very colorful, picturesque cafe. But he was also just enjoying the morning, so I didn't want to disturb him, so I decided to take just a nice candle from behind. Thank you so much for coming along on this photo walk. I love sharing these results with you, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. I don't just say that. I really appreciate feedback, negative and positive. So if you want to share something, please do.
Ja, dis
Because
crazy.
basically it's only 16.
Exactly.
Vol nie, maar jy kan.
Jy kan, ja.
Want
Anyway, say bye. Jy sê jy het laas ook gekry, bro.
jy het ook mos gekry.
Dis waar. Dis waar.